Hi, this is Melody, and I'm going to teach you how to do a cute little curl thing, like that's beachy waves and different stuff. I already have them all done because I tried to do this tutorial, but I only record 7 seconds of it. So yeah, the internet hasn't been nice to me today. So yeah, what we're gonna, sorry, I'm just trying to grab it angle. So it's gonna look something like this. It's diagonal like that because I twisted it this way instead of straight. So yeah. And if you guys think, I might start singing in this, so yeah, if you guys think I sound like a walrus, tell me, and if you think I rock, tell me, okay? Thanks. And then, so I'm just going to take out like 2 of these so you guys can see. Who knew that you'd be a pain looking like you do? You make us stand over here impossible. Baby, I'ma say your aura is incredible. If you don't have to go, don't. Okay, so what you're gonna do is just twist it really tightly. Tonight, your hands around my waist, just let the music play. In your hand, just around the pistol. I wanna take you away, escape into the music. So yeah, twist it and take it first. Just like that. Take a little bun. Take a hair elastic. Wrap it around. And take this side. Use some thing. I just came here to party, but now we're rocking on the dance floor, acting naughty. Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. We're hand in hand, chest to chest, and now we're face to face. I wanna take you away, escape into the music. DJ, let it play. I just can't refuse it, like the way you do it. Okay, so we do that. I think this is too much. If it does, you can just take an elastic or a bobby pin. Just going to put an elastic. And it's pretty tight. I'm just trying out different styles for my birthday. So yeah. But it doesn't look that bad, it's just some kind of coating. So I'm just going to take a bobby pin, stab it in real quick, and pin it. I need 1, 2 bobby pins. Or you can just leave it hanging. Okay, I'm not very good at this. I've done too many hair tutorials today. Kind of tiring me out. So yeah, because I sprained my ankle in gym the other day. And I still have some school and don't have anything to do. So yeah, I'm going to try to do this one fast. Except once I get my hair elastic out of my hair, it'll be easier. Okay, since it's already kind of twisted, I'm not going to do this one too tight because it kind of hurt me a little. So just 1 second. So I keep it like this. Cat's playing with something in my room. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to do one with that. I'm going to take this big elastic that's on my wrist and tie it up. Like that. And then I think this one's too loose. I'm just gonna grab a bobby pin. Just like that. that's a good way to have a cute little thing, but like it's gonna look cuter in the morning because that's when it's gonna like be all curly and stuff. And today it's like, I don't know, around 6, maybe 7, and so yeah, I'm gonna go to bed early today, like 8 or something, so I can get extra sleep. And yeah, it'll look really, really cute. But so make sure you watch part 2 to see the outcome of this hairdo. And after I do this hairdo, I'm going to show you guys how to do your hair curled with these kind of curlers, or with any kind of curlers. Just use the same technique. Okay, so make sure you watch the second part to see the outcome. Thanks.